Let's load a CT volume, and in the segment editor I just draw some shapes randomly. Create a second segment and show the result in 3D. So it's a volume and some 3D segmentation result. So to export it to DICOM, I go to data module, need to create a subject or patient, and need to create a study below it, and drag and drop the image and segmentation below that study. So this is the data structure that DICOM requires. To export to DICOM, I just right click, export to DICOM. I can specify some information here. At least patient ID and name are good to specify. Then I can check where I want to have the output files. I set an empty directory. I have an empty directory for this, and I will choose to save the files there. And I can choose to import the exported DICOM files right into the slicer database, so I can see how it looks in a DICOM browser. So at this point I just click export, and I have to wait for the export to complete. It should take about half a minute or a minute. Okay, and it's done, and I see that there's a patient, study, and two series. One is a CT and the other is a RT structure set. I'll restart Slicer and see if I can load the dataset from DICOM. I restarted Slicer. You can load the save data from DICOM. Yeah, so I see there is a CT and the structure sets. And this is the folder that I selected during DICOM export. It contains all the CT files, CT slices, and the segmentation as a RTSS.